No matter what type of trader you are, it's important to understand global cycles. It's important to understand which way the market is moving globally. For that, we can use a variety of tools. And in today's video, I will show you how you can do it easily by utilizing the 1000x indicator. If you're ready, I'm ready. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Welcome to Shark Numbers. Let's get rolling. If you take a look at this chart, plain chart without any indicators activated, what can you say? What can you tell? Yeah, we can certainly see that the market capitalization increased and it's now sitting at $2.39 trillion. But are we globally in the bullish cycle or are we in the bearish cycle? Let's take a look at this chart once again. When the 1000x indicator is active, what can you see? Well, the picture becomes much more clear. And I can tell you this, historically, when it comes to total market capitalization, the 1000 indicator predicted everything correctly. It's not 70% or 80%, it's 100%. If you take a look at this chart starting from 2015, you can clearly see that the indicator managed to predict when each of the cycles started and ended. So this was our bullish cycle, this was our bearish cycle, this is when it ended. Another bullish cycle, another bearish cycle, another bullish cycle, another bearish cycle, another bullish cycle, and so on and so forth. So what do we see right now? What do we see on this chart? We are currently in a bullish cycle, but this cycle is about to end. It doesn't mean that we're going to be in a bearish cycle for an extended period of time. We could, but it doesn't have to be the case. To get a better sense of what's going on, let's measure all the green zones and try to figure out the average time frame of each of the cycles. All right, so the longest bullish cycle lasted for about 889 days, and the shortest one lasted for about 35 days. So let's assume that this cycle, I'm actually going to calculate the average of all of these bullish cycles, and I will tell you what I have. It will give us a better sense of what can hypothetically happen. 295 days is our average, which means hypothetically the current bullish cycle might end in August 2024. Why is it important to understand the overall market situation? Well, when the overall market goes up, the majority of assets go up. When the overall market goes down, the majority of cryptocurrencies, prices of the majority of cryptocurrencies go down. It doesn't matter what kind of trader you are. You can be a position trader, you can be a day trader. If you understand the overall market situation, you are better prepared. This is it for today, guys. If you want to learn more about the 1000x indicator, check out links in the description. I'm done for today. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.